Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a new hairstyle like this. I'm super excited but also super nervous because y'all know I don't be doing too much styling, but these are the pictures that I referenced from Instagram. But we're gonna get started, y'all, because we need some hair. All right, so to start off this look, we do need some hair, and today's hair that I am going to be using is from Incolorwig. Okay, so it is going to be a little bit of twist on this hairstyle because I am using a colored unit, and this is their ginger color unit that you guys are seeing here. So once we have the hair ordered and it's at our door, okay, it's here. I'm unboxing the goodies and we're going to get into the details of the hair. So this is the overall construction of the hair. It comes with 3 combs in total, a pair of drawstrings at the nape. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, which comes pre-plucked, as you guys can see. This is the overall view. It's nice and bouncy and soft, and this is what the hair is giving us straight out the package. And they give us baby hairs, as y'all saw. So normally I don't go in and shampoo and condition the hair. Sometimes I would co-wash it, but then again, not necessarily. I won't do that to the second install, but today I decided to do it on the first one. So with my conditioner, I normally leave it sitting in for about 5 to 10 minutes. I make sure the hair is fully saturated, and then I continue to rinse it out with cold water. So I'm just taking a towel and squeezing out the excess water. I would recommend a silk towel over a cotton towel, however. Okay, so you're going to need a comb, you're going to need some edge control or gel, and you're going to need a edge brush. Or a brush. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull out my baby hairs. If you guys don't like baby hairs, you do not have to do this step, sis. I'm just spraying the hair just to dampen the hair a little bit so it makes it a little bit easy to part, and also to ensure that my baby hairs ain't going nowhere. Okay, we don't need them going back up into the braid. Now I'm not going to be doing the same size braids as the picture that I referenced earlier on in the video. I'm going to be trying to do some, medium sized braids. So I'm going to go ahead and place the gel on the outside of the braid, as you guys saw, and then we're going to begin to braid. Now I'm a little rusty when it comes down to braiding. I haven't braided in a long time. I used to braid like I was in high school. I used to have clients here that used to, do little braiding, box braids, stuff like that. So I have not braided in a long time. Besides, I do my hair, but that don't count because I be doing my braids any old kind of way just to throw up on a wig, I'm just going to go ahead and braid it all the way, not all the way down, but semi halfway down, just so, I just know the braid ain't coming out, okay? So once I get halfway down or a little bit more than halfway, I'm gonna start on my next row. As you guys can see, we are doing that, and I'm gonna be quiet because your girl ain't talking about nothing. So this is what the braids look like once I complete the entire side. I am going to do the other side off camera, but yeah, y'all, okay, it's not too bad. It is not too bad. And I know you guys are wondering about that black band that you see, but if the way you wear the braids, that's why you braid down far enough, so when you pull them down, you're not going to see that line at all. So here we are. My bald cap is on. Y'all haven't did this method in a long time. Y'all know I told y'all that story about it pulling out my edges. But anyway, we're going to try it again. And I just secured it down with Got To Be glue spray. And sis, okay. Yeah, okay. 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 All right. She not too bad. She is not too bad. Now, y'all know I was kind of scared because, like I said, this is a colorful unit. And I didn't know how would your hair look braided color. But y'all see, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace. And then I'm gonna use my Ebin lace tints. I'm saying tint. Ebin lace adhesive, and we're gonna go ahead and lay this down. Y'all, when I tell y'all this stuff, if y'all haven't checked out this spray, you need to hop on it because it is the business. This wig didn't go nowhere for a whole dang on wig. Now, I did put a lot of layers on there, but I'm saying I wore this for a whole week straight without taking it out. And honey, this is given, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay the entire lace down. And yeah, y'all know the drill when it comes to that, so. All right, guys, so I am just going to go in with a little bit of concealer. Y'all know I love for my parts to pop, okay? Now, I have to get that middle part, if anything, that middle part has to be crisp. But anyway, I'm just going to go in and do my baby hairs. I'm just going to go in with a pair of scissors and, make the baby hairs a little bit smaller because they are a little bit too long. I was hesitant or not on whether I wanted to do baby hairs because of the color of the wig. I didn't know if it was going to be visible, but let's just say I finessed it. I made it work. And today was one of my off days, so it did take me a little bit longer to get the hair to, sit the way I wanted them to, or lay the way I wanted them to lay. All right, guys, so we are wrapping things up with my curly hair routine. I'm just going to go ahead and first section the hair off into 2 separate sections. And we're going to go ahead and start by detangling. So once we clip that section away, we're going to start detangling the hair. We're going to take our dimming brush and we're going to work our way up, starting from the ends all the way to the roots. Now I'm just going to go ahead and make sure the entire section is full of water, okay? You want it dripping, not dripping, but, you just want it wet. And if you guys haven't invested in a dimming brush, however you say it, please get one because, sis, they really, really help your curls pop. Now I'm just going in with my detangling milk and finger detangling the product all over the hair. Next, we just gonna go ahead and do our scrunching motion, okay? I did add foam wrap lotion, but I don't know where that clip went. But anyway, y'all, we're gonna do the same thing, and that is pretty much it, y'all. I really enjoyed creating this video. I love stepping out of my comfort zone, doing something different. Y'all, this wig is super, super cute. When I tell you it's cute, it's cute. I'm completely obsessed. That's my favorite word, y'all. Ginger has grown on me. It truly has grown on me. And y'all already know my favorite texture of curly hair is Jerry curl. So, sis, the curls is popping. The color is popping. So, overall, I loved working with this unit. Like I said, I had it fully installed for a week. I did experience shedding throughout the entire process of this install, being from me detangling it for the first time, when I washed it, and when I did my curly hair routine. It did give me a little bit of shedding here and there, and that's truly expected because of course it is curly hair. As far as tangling throughout the week, I did experience a few snags and tags when I went to refresh the curls, but not anything seriously, no matting or anything like that. But like I said, y'all, this is it. I love this hair, y'all. It's cute, definitely fall ready, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed.